Hi, I'm Donna Fields and welcome to CLIL Scaffolding 4. This is a series of webinars designed to give you quick, easy, and adaptable scaffolding techniques. Scaffolding, we can say, is helping students move into new material with more confidence. Today we're going to talk about how to use scaffolding technique number 52 that you can find in my book, 101 Scaffolding Techniques for Language Teaching and Learning. It's also been translated into Spanish and you can get it at Amazon, at whatever Amazon the country is you live in. Today, the objective for this session is to show how easy it is to adapt scaffolding technique number 52 to your primary or secondary classroom, and that goes for vocational training for adults. Whatever you teach, you can use these scaffolding techniques. So, scaffolding technique number 52 is called Something's Not Right. That means that you're going to show your students images with text that have mistakes in it, and you're going to tell them their mistakes, and they're going to find them. By finding the mistakes, they're going to have to read the material. And by reading the material, it's going to activate their previous knowledge. The best scaffolding techniques are when you show students that what they knew before is going to help them move on into new and deeper learning. So the first one we're going to do is a secondary history class on the Middle Ages. This is a typical textbook page. I use Oxford because I do a lot of work for Oxford, but this is what you're going to see in any history class in secondary. Yes, there's a lot of information. The students are going to have to know it all. It's pretty interesting for us, but it's overwhelming for them. So what can we do? I'll show you. It's easy and fun. We take images from the page. Leave the text for now. This scaffolding is about images, and whenever we have images plus text, it doubles the learning. So whenever we can, we use images. So as I say, I took an image right from the page. I'm going to use 3 of them and show you how to use these images to change the text, and the students are going to find mistakes and read the information and get familiar with it by themselves. So all you do is take the information from the text under the pictures and write one mistake. And here you can see I wrote there are 3 spelling mistakes here. I'm highlighting them for you. I'm not going to highlight them for my students. They have to read and find these mistakes. So you see I did it for all of the 3 images. So in this one I said that there are 3 spelling mistakes. In the next one I take the next image, I put the text on top of it, and in this one I say there are 2 spelling mistakes and 2 grammar mistakes. They're secondary, they can find them. The same thing for this page. I've rewritten the text. All I have to do is paste it on. And once I paste it, I laminate my cards because I can use them every year and they'll last a lot longer. So as I say, in pairs, the students go around the room. You put them up on the walls with blue tack, for instance, and they have to write down the mistake. They go around with notebooks and you should put a number on each picture, so they write the number and the mistake. And that's all. So I'm going to show you now for primary. It's the same thing. I'm taking a book on London that they'll have to read. I take one of the images. Now the text is very easy, but I'm just going to add one little change. So they have to read it very carefully. And all I changed is, it says, no problem, we can take it to his house. And the one I changed is, says, no problem, we can take it to his world. Now, if they read carefully, they're going to find the mistake. And with primary, I recommend asking them to go around the room with a table. So you've put numbers on each of the images. You have the number, they write the mistake, and then they write the correct word that they think probably goes there. So here, for instance, I changed one of the words at the top, not in the pictures. It says the children are outside people's court. Now, the students write people and they say probably it should say tennis court. Once they fill in the table, you know they're finished. They go back to their desks and we can start reading. They've already scaffolded the information. They've read some of the cards in the book. They're familiar with the pictures, and the pictures are important. When we open a book, we want to look at the pictures first also, no? And so now they're ready to answer any questions you might have for them. You've scaffolded a book, quick and easy. You've also added physical intelligence. They have to walk around the room. It's cooperative. They have to work with their partners. It's linguistic. They have to read carefully and write. You've covered a lot of bases here. And it's something very different. They're going to enjoy it. So all you super teachers out there, thank you so much again for joining. I look forward to seeing you next time. Please leave a message for me at my LinkedIn page or Facebook page and subscribe. There will be a lot more videos to come. Bye, everyone.